Hello everyone. So first of all, a lot of thanks to all of you, those who subscribe, and we have reached more than 1,000 subs. So a very big thank you to all of you. So I'm today with my friend Varun, and he has recently bought a KTM RC200 2017 edition. So I will be making a video on what's new on the bike. So let's start. So the first biggest change is the color scheme of the bike. Now previously we had a matte finish black color, but now it comes in a white, which makes the bike look even bigger and makes it look like a bigger bike. The second thing is that we also get these rubber inserts, rubber protectors for the seals that are inside here, the oil seals, so you will not get a broken oil seal now. And this looks really nice with the orange color scheme of the bike. Also you get a full mud protection. Previously we had this flap only, but now the lower flap is also there. The seat is now more comfier, a lot more comfortable. A lot of 12 mm of cushion is now added, so which makes the seat really comfortable. And I think the dashboard also has been done some changes. You see how these things go up. On my bike they just get to the top, and after all the things have been done, then it gets back to the setting that it was. Also now you get wider mirrors for better rear view visibility, and the angle of this screen wind protector is now changed because to make it more aerodynamic and to reduce the wind blast on the rider. So these were all the changes that were made to the bike, and this really tells that KTM listens to its customers, and all the changes that have been made are for the betterment. And you can see that KTM is really sees to how the customer is feeling, and all the things that have been changed were a problem on the previous bike. So now the bike, you can see it makes the whole bike a better package. And the on-road price for this bike was 2.06 lakh, 2,06,000 rupees here in Jabalpur. Now let's do a quick exhaust note comparison between my Duke 200 and his RC200. So let's start. First is my Duke 200. Start. His RC200. So a lot of thanks to all of you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video if you find it useful, and please comment what you want to see, or if you have some questions. Do like my Facebook page also, and follow me on Insta. So thank you all for watching.